Now I would wish to explain example 2. Herein we are given ABD equals 135 and EAC is 115, and we are supposed to prove that AB stands greater than AC. To know about this position of this side, we should know angle C here, and to know about this AC, we have to know angle B. That is the first information, first hand. So ABC angle B plus 135 is 180, which is linear pair for these two, and therefore ABC stands at 45. So I have arrived at 45 degrees here, and now similarly I have to pick up EAC being 115. I can arrive at this angle BAC, and without even the linear pair area, we can directly arrive at this being 45. The sum of these two angles stands at the external angle of this triangle. Therefore 45 plus x will be 115, and arriving at ACB, we have nothing but we can directly recover 45 from 115 and arrive at 70 angle 70. Now this is angle 70. This being the larger angle, therefore this side is longer, and this being 45 degrees, this will be shorter. Hence AB is greater than AC. Hence proved. Example 3, we are asked to arrange these AB, BD and DC in ascending order, in order of increasing length. Therefore in triangle ABC, we have, in the bigger triangle, we have been given these two angles, and this can be found out by applying angle sum property, and we have achieved that by stating that this is 70 degrees. Once the 70 has been established, since these AD stands as a bisector, AD bisects angle A, therefore this will be 35 each. Angles in hand, now we can decide which is longer side. The bigger angle will have the longest side. Therefore herein we are being asked to check for BD, AB and DC. For BD, 35 is the angle. This is the smallest angle of all. Therefore BD happens to be smallest, and next comes the side AB because it is opposite to angle 70 degrees. So this is the second biggest, and then the final, the bigger one is. The final trick lies in picking the and positioning the DC. Herein you can see that AD is facing 75 degrees, which is the largest angle. Therefore this is the longest side. Now this being the longest side, these two angles being equal, these sides will be obviously equal. Therefore since AD equals DC, therefore 75 being the largest angle, AD being the longest side, now AD being equal to DC, therefore DC is positioned here as the longest of all these three sides.